Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will just show you how to install WordPress in cPanel. Now this is an updated tutorial and yeah, let's get started. So I have right now WordPress website here, but if we go to cPanel, what you will need to do is you will need to find a software right here. We're on software and you will need to find a WordPress installer by Softaculous. Now I have WordPress Manager by Softaculous because I already installed the WordPress on my website, but this is how it will look like right here. So you click on it right here and then you will be able to go here and you will be able to install WordPress. Now I already installed WordPress, so I can just click here on the WordPress and here I can go and install now. Now this will basically go and install the version. As you can see, I have current installations on this website right here. You can see the version as well. And here I can, manage your installation. I can create staging, I can clone, I can, remove. But yeah, pretty much this is how you can install it. Just click install and then you will be able to install it right on your, on your website. So that's pretty much it. It's a very simple tutorial. If you want to know more about in-depth tutorials about WordPress and plugins on WordPress, definitely visit our channel for more. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.